see, there's the right hand that I was telling you about. Rockman just caught him with the right hand. And, you know, as you know, Lennox Lewis will try to retaliate that.
Well, Rockman has a terrific record in terms of the knockouts. There was a good combination by Lewis.
That was a nice left uppercut right hand.
Manny Stewart not too far away from us in the Lewis corner, just gesturing to his man to come forward. Oh, uppercut once again.
Nice uppercut.
Short right hand inside from the champion.
It's like Lennox catching him now, probably working on that eye, that left eye.
Good jab by Lewis, and he looks a lot stronger in this round. Oh, uppercut by the champion. Rockman in a little bit of trouble. To be fair to him, he came back, and that right hand of his has come in. And what a great challenger he is.
Rockman said that he was going to make this war. Rockman's got to get close in case they... Oh, beautiful. This is what he was trying to suck Lennox Lewis in again to throw the right hand, and he countered with his own.
The fifth. Rockman still there. Right hand wasn't too far away. Whoa.
Oh.
Oh, he's got him. He's got him. He got careless, and he's got him. Is it Oliver McCall all over again? It is, and Lewis has gone. Lewis has gone. It's another upset of immense.
Foreman having a very good round. Frazier went down. Frazier seems to be hurt. He's been rocked. Foreman in complete charge of the fight. Frazier fighting back gamely, but he's having trouble. There's the countdown, 20 seconds to go. Frazier down. Frazier's holding the round. The round is almost over. Foreman after him again. Frazier has never taken this kind of punishment. He goes down at the bell. After McCarty rules. Now he's taking the mandatory rate count at the bell, but he's up. Frazier was down to 3 times. Nancy Gorham is holding him there. Frazier is being battered in Foreman's corner. Joe's about to go down. He does. He goes down again. Joe is desperately trying to get to his feet. He's on his feet. He's taking a mandatory rate count. 45 seconds to go in the round. Goes him down 4 times. There goes Joe down again. 5 times he's been down. Foreman at him again. It's hard to see how Frazier can last.
Halpern was criticized for not stopping the Ruelas-Garcia fight last year, in which Garcia died. We'll see if he's overly cautious. As expected, Mike Tyson comes out fast.
He's down to more of what he wants, a sort of boxing match, rather than just these big slugging.
Holyfield comes back with a left hook. Holyfield with a combination to Tyson's head.
You know what? There you saw Holyfield throw a nice body shot.
Every time Holyfield comes close.
Holyfield's coming close a lot. We've been wondering.
Oh, a straight right hand by Tyson that landed. Head for the bell. They continue to go after the bell. Tyson around. Tyson against the ropes.
I'll tell you what, the crowd thought that Mike was hurt. Mike had a good shot.
A combination by Holyfield to the head of Tyson. Very frustrated now.
Ooh.
Holyfield coming on. A right uppercut. Counter punch combination.
Right uppercut to the body and left hook to the chin. I'll tell you what, they got to bring his attention and good.
Tyson unleashing uppercuts to the body, digging to the chin.
When he got hit,
he grimaced. Holyfield turned on by the crowd. Less than a minute in round 6.
Holyfield's closing this round like a champion, like the overachieving warrior that he is.
Oh, down goes Tyson, a left hook.
Evander Holyfield is letting it all hang out.
They continue to battle after the bell. Tyson fights at such a frantic pace, and you pointed that out. Look out now as they come together. Again, the headbutt.
That one buckled. That one buckled Tyson. I mean, Tyson actually got a headbutt and hurt.
It's the second time in the fight.
Uh-oh.
Mitch Halpern asking Tyson, are you all right? Here comes the time. Holyfield has always known in the past what tools to bring to a fight, and he's proving it again here. Look at this toe-to-toe.
On Holyfield. First real signs.
Oh, a straight right combination by Holyfield. Holyfield looking to air it out.
Holyfield's unloading now. He's taking a shot. He's going for it.
Oh, Tyson's in trouble. Holyfield smothers Tyson. Looking to put Tyson down and end the fight. Tyson is not in trouble. He's saved by the bell.
Mike is out on his feet. Let's take a look. Just when it looked like he was getting tired, he gets fired up. And here comes that champion's heart. It's a series of punches, some of which missed, but most were landing. And they were landing with accuracy. As you can see that. One at a time. You can see that's the one that did it. See, as he came in, that's what they've been saying. If you ever catch him coming in, he's so wide open that he's going to fall apart, and he did. Now here's where the referee's previous experience came in. He let the other fight go on too long, and he almost stepped in.
What happens from here on in, we are looking at a sports legend in the purple trunks, Evander Holyfield. Holyfield continues to dig in. A left hook to the head. He's got Tyson in trouble. Tyson's ready to go. A straight right hand. Mitch Halpern stops the fight.
Michael Bent in his last fight prior to this one against Mark Wills broke his right hand and won anyway. Didn't have the brace taken off of his right hand until the 3rd week of September. George Foreman in the past has told us it is impossible for a fighter to come all the way back from an injury like that this rapidly.
Yeah, it takes a lot of time before you get confidence, even if he ever had confidence. They said he was a good amateur, but the pros are totally different.
Big question here, is Bent strong enough to handle Morrison's power? And the early returns say no.
The thing is, if Morrison can control his burst,
Tommy stunned by a right hand, and down goes Morrison. He has been plagued by a weak chin. 4, 5, 6.
Morrison is embarrassed more than anything in the world.
That'll quiet the crowd a little bit. And Bent again lands the right. Now we saw Morrison go down twice in the same round against Carl the Truth Williams.
One more knockdown and this is over, and Michael Bent knows it.
3 knockdown rule in effect. Michael Bent on the verge of a big moment, and he's got it. That's it. A first-round KO for Michael Bent.
And the man who was the former sparring partner for Mike Tyson, Oliver McCall, relatively unknown in this country, is expected to give Lennox Lewis a very hard fight, and if he rips in any more right hands like that to the body of Lewis, then those predictions will be completely correct. McCall very heavily muscled, very strong, and reckons he's in the best condition of his life. Good right hand, a good slicing right by the champion, and that's the first sign we've seen of that strong punch by Lewis. An interesting first round with both men letting a little bit go from the armory, but there's plenty more still there, one suspects. And Lewis working again behind that jab. He's got very fast hands for a big man, very athletic. Lewis unbeaten, remember, after 25 fights. Oh, he's got him. Oh, Lewis walked into a right hand, and that was the sucker punch that they worried about. And Lewis staggers, and the referee has decided it's all over. My goodness, what an upset. And
Be one of the few times we've seen Klitschko hit with a good solid punch by a good puncher. He gets hit again and holds.
The problem Klitschko is having, he's got his knees bent, lowering his height some more.
And Klitschko goes down on a huge left hand.
his eye cut.
And there's a cut over Klitschko's left eye, right on the eyebrow. Long time to go in the round. Vladimir down a second time.
And the next big thing is about to become the last big bust if he goes down again, although the clock is running out on this round.
So Vladimir Klitschko is down twice in the opening round against Corey Sanders. Was able to do in this situation. He was able to come back and knock Sanders out. Now Klitschko's down a third time, and there are 2 minutes 53 seconds to go in this round.
And he's not seeing that left hand come. He just cannot see the left hand that Sanders is hitting him with.
And he's attacking to try to get out of trouble instead of holding. And this is not going to go well. Another knockdown, the fourth time, and the referee, Gennaro Rodriguez, stops the fight and busts himself out.
There's a good left hook upstairs out of nowhere by Danny Williams.
Into Tyson a lot, and that's giving Mike Tyson a chance to land those shots.
Now some head movement by Tyson, ripping uppercuts to the chin. Now back comes Williams with a left-right combination.
And that was the uppercut by Williams. He's ripping those shots.
Pushing Tyson back. It's competitive now. More pressure here from Tyson, but Williams with a left uppercut to the body. Williams fighting off the ropes successfully.
You know, a key element of this is the body work of Williams. He is really making an impact.
Which we had first thought, but weren't sure. Oh, a left hook to the neck by Mike Tyson. This is a vicious exchange. Williams coming back again with an overhand right. Missing with the left. There's a right hand by Williams. Pushes Tyson back. Oh, what a left hand. That sent Williams off balance.
One for an elbow and one for a low blow. So he lost 2 points in that last round.
Tyson pours it on. Oh, a big right hand by Tyson. Holyfield and Lennox Lewis, and he's having his way. Firing shots. Tyson in some difficulty here in round 4. Big right hand by Danny. Oh, that one got him off the ropes and down to the canvas. It's Mike Tyson. Oh.